What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of all the content and keep supporting. Let's get straight into this pair. So we've got a Nike Air Force 1. This pair is slightly different. As you can see, it's not the same as the classic, and the reason being because of this swoosh. So this pair is called the Nike Air Force 1 Jewel swoosh. I never know how to pronounce that. I sound really weird saying it. But yeah, the Jewel swoosh Nike Air Force 1. The sole, of course, white classic Air Force 1 sole. However, it's got a bit of grey on the back here. So I call these triple white. Obviously, it's cheating a bit, but I don't really care. The back, we've got, again, a bit of grey stamped in. Then we've got white swoosh, that plastic swoosh, white toe box, white on the inside as well. White laces, the white tongue with the Nike Air Force 1 in kind of like a grey. I do prefer this lace more on an Air Force 1 though. It's just a bit better, or a lot better to me, to be honest. But yeah, I really hate reviewing triple white or plain white sneakers or triple black or anything triple anything, because it's just so, like, there's no detail to it. I can't really say, oh, it's got this, it's got that, it's got this, it's got that, because it doesn't. It's just triple white, bits of grey, and a swoosh. I should have just done that. It's triple white, got a different swoosh, jobs are good. But yeah, let me know what you think of this pair. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video with this pair on. Check out all the other content. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe.